Number 1. 1984 Ford F-150 Long Bed, Syncfound $200, Healdsburg, California. This 1984 Ford F-150 Long Bed is a classic rear-wheel drive pickup with a reliable 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. With dual gas tanks and a recent $4,000 investment in engine and mechanical restoration, it runs strong and has proven roadworthiness with trips from northern to southern California. The odometer reads 34,381 miles, though actual mileage is unknown. The white paint holds up decently, while the interior and dash need cosmetic attention. A dependable summer driver with a clean title, ready for its next chapter. Number 2. 1982 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista, $5,900, Dublin, California. A true survivor, this 1982 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista has been in one family since new and maintains its original two-tone brown paint and trim. Powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it starts and drives well but could benefit from a tune-up. The interior is in good shape, and the body is straight apart from a minor dent in the tailgate. Odometer reads 53,730 miles. A clean-titled, unmolested classic that's increasingly hard to find. Number 3. 1980 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $5,500, Taft, California. An excellent project base, this 1980 Chevrolet C10 Stepside has had several performance upgrades, including a rebuilt 350 V8 Yukon locking differential, 700 R4 transmission, new interior seat, and new carpet. It was factory equipped with air conditioning, cruise control, and heavy-duty suspension. The engine is currently out due to a bad camshaft, but it comes with clean paperwork and all the right components to finish the build. Number 4. 1989 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins, $6,800, Casper, Wyoming. This rugged 1989 Dodge Ram 2500 is equipped with a legendary Cummins diesel engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Though the odometer has rolled over, it's estimated to have around 68,000 miles. It runs and drives well, but needs a new windshield, wiper assembly, and brake service. A rare, early Cummins model with clean title and solid bones, ready for restoration or work. Number 5. 1981 Chevrolet 3500 Dually, Scottsdale, $8,500, Whitewood, South Dakota. This 1981 Scottsdale Camper Special is a heavy-duty dually with a 454 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It features a brown and cream exterior, blue interior, and Holley carburetor. The truck has been mechanically refreshed with a rebuilt transmission, aluminum radiator, and complete front end and brake work. With 176,000 miles, odometer rolled over, and recent upgrades, it is both collectible and functional. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $4,700, Imperial, Missouri. This two-owner, all-original 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado is a clean example with 110,000 miles. It sports a 305 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, power steering, and air conditioning. The truck runs well and is nearly rust-free. The seat has been preserved with a cover, and the blue paint remains attractive. A clean-titled, unrestored example ideal for cruising or a future show truck. Number 7. 1988 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat, $4,250, Lake Bay, Washington. Equipped with a strong 460 V8, this 1988 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat offers solid performance and utility. It has dual gas tanks, tow package, and all working instruments. The brown paint and interior are in great condition, and the truck runs, drives, and stops reliably. The 5-digit odometer shows 70,459 miles. A clean title adds value to this well-kept heavy-duty pickup. Number 8. 1989 Ford F800 dump truck, $7,500, Clarissa, Minnesota. This orange 1989 Ford F800 dump truck features a diesel engine, manual transmission with a 4-speed and 2-speed rear end, and a well-maintained J-Craft dump bed. With only 76,000 miles and like new Goodyear tires, it is in good working condition and ready for use. A solid commercial-grade vehicle with a clean title. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet El Camino SS, $7,500, Fallbrook, California. A sharp and mostly rust-free example, this 1985 Chevrolet El Camino SS features a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The odometer reads 6,407 miles but has rolled over. It runs great with good tires, straight body panels, and working systems. Rust is limited to the front hood edge, and a repaint would make this SS edition shine. Clean title and smogged, ready for registration. Number 10. 1988 Ford F500 dump truck, $4,500, San Antonio, Texas. A working project vehicle, this 1988 Ford F500 dump truck comes with a functioning hydraulic dump bed and a gas V8 engine. The manual transmission works, though the brakes are inoperable and the truck has not run in a year. Odometer is broken and shows 50 miles. The title is missing, but the seller is open to negotiation. Ideal for someone looking to restore or repurpose. Number 11. 1981 Ford F-150 Ranger Super Cab, $4,750, Cisco, Texas. This 1981 Ford F-150 Ranger Lariat Super Cab pickup is in remarkable original condition. It features a 302 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and Ford 9-inch rear axle. All lights and electrical work, and it passed inspection recently. The original blue and white paint shows excellent patina. The truck needs a fuel sending unit, included but not installed. Clean Texas title in hand, ideal for collectors. Number 12. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado short bed, $600, Round Lake, Illinois. Offered as a parts or full restoration candidate, this 1995 Chevrolet Silverado short bed does not run and suffers from significant rust. The 305 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission are present, but the truck will require a full overhaul. Despite its clean title, the vehicle is priced accordingly due to its salvage condition and 228,000 miles. Number 13. 1984 Chevrolet S10 LS Swapped, $4,000, Kerrville, Texas. A unique project truck, this 1984 Chevrolet S10 has been upgraded with a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 and 4L60E automatic transmission. It runs and drives but is offered as a project vehicle. The single-cab short bed body is finished in gray and comes with a clean title, a strong base for performance builds or a street truck restoration.